What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are getting close to beach season. The weather is nice, and everyone is getting out and enjoying it, and we have seen our fair share of amazing beaches along the way.
There's a lot of nice beaches in this country.
Yes, which is really nice. I mean, we've been to Florida. We made some amazing burgers on the beach in Texas.
Yep, we've been to Washington, the other coast.
Yes.
We've been on the beach there.
Yeah, so we've seen some really great beaches. We're actually going to be headed to a beach in a few weeks. And when you think about beach food, you also think about burgers. And I've got a really fun take on smash burger that I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to be adding some sweet and some heat and making a bacon jam smash burger.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
This meal is really going to be all about this bacon jam. So I've got our bacon cut up, a pound of bacon cut up into 1-inch pieces, and we are going to get that right on the griddle and get it crisped up nicely. Now that our bacon is nice and crispy, it's time to remove it from the griddle. I'm just going to put it on a paper toweled plate, and we're going to set it aside until we need it later. All right, we've got a little bit of bacon grease here on our griddle, and we are going to scoop some of that into our pot. I want to get about a tablespoon and a half. Now that I've got the griddle cleaned off, we're going to put our pot right on the griddle, and I'm going to add in 1 white onion and 2 shallots. Basically what we want to do is we're going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our onions and our shallots cook down nicely. Going in next is 2 cloves of minced garlic, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We've got this awesome bourbon aged maple syrup that we found, a 1/4 cup and a 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna stir that all up. Oh, that smells good. Now it is time to add the best part, the bacon.
By the way, I did taste it. It's
quite delicious.
It's good to go. Yeah, you can use it.
I am really so excited about this. Right, now that everything's mixed in, we're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Our liquid has reduced nicely. I'm gonna pull our pan off, set it to the side, and let it cool. Meanwhile, we will be getting our smash burgers ready. Before we get our burgers down on the griddle, we are going to season them up, and I am using Blackstone's Bootleg burger seasoning. Get a little bit of oil down. So lately with our smash burgers, we've been using CJ's technique where we put the smash burger down, let it kind of like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, get that nice little cooked bottom, roll it over, and then we use our spatula and tongs to smash our burgers, and then hit it again with a nice sprinkle of that bootleg burger. Our burgers are ready to flip, and I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese on top. I also have some jalapenos. Like I said, we're gonna have a little bit of sweet with some heat, and I'm gonna toast those up. So we're just gonna get these right on the griddle. It is time to get our bacon jam smash burgers put together. I've got some brioche buns that we're gonna use today.
Oh, look at that dripping cheese.
Oh, these smell so good. One is for Cade. He doesn't like jalapenos the way we do.
Not yet, anyway.
So put a couple on 2 of these. Our bacon jam. Here we go. Nice helping on there. Oh, that smells delicious.
That looks really good.
And then I've got a little bit of Kinder's burger sauce.
Signing your name.
Exactly. It's my Destination Delicious signature. Bacon jam smash burgers.
They look super good.
That's right.
All right, buddy, you ready to give this a try?
Uh-huh.
Looks good, doesn't it? Probably did good.
All right, let's dig in.
Never had bacon jam before, so I'm pretty excited about it.
It smells absolutely amazing.
That was
That's
fantastic.
good. That is so good. It is good, isn't it, Cade? So good.
Do you like it, buddy?
I love it.
It's kind of like a new take, well, a new take for me on a bacon cheeseburger.
Yeah,
the bacon jam just has a whole
so
another level
many
of flavor.
different flavors in it. And a different texture really too. Like there's obviously the crispy bacon, but there's just so much around it. And then the way the jalapenos just add a little bit of that heat to it. This is a really fun way to get creative with smash burgers if you're looking for something different. Should definitely give this a try.
And there's plenty of bacon jam left over, so we can use it for other stuff.
Right, yes.
Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Betty, Bruce, Nate, Todd, CJ, Taylor, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.